Stay tuned after the video because there's going to be a blooper and some shout-outs.
Hello friends and welcome to Awnie's Kitchen. Today I've got two adorable helpers and what are we going to make, girls?
Chocolate-covered strawberries.
Chocolate-covered strawberries. Look at the size of those strawberries. Don't those look so yummy? Okay, first we're going to melt our chocolate wafers in the microwave for about 30 seconds at a time until they're nice and melty so that we can dip our strawberries. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Our chocolate is melted and now we're going to take one strawberry at a time. Okay, you ready, girls? We're going to dip the strawberry and turn it all the way around in the chocolate. Okay, now we're going to hold it up. We're going to let some drip off. Drip, drip, drip. And then we're going to put it on the plate. Okay, who wants to be next? Oh, nice. And turn it all around. Yeah, it's such a shiny strawberry. Oh, good save. Okay, you want to pick it up and let the chocolate drip off. Right here on the plate. Good job. Okay, your turn, Lil. Okay. That is a lot of delicious chocolate. Oh, that's a good way. Oh, very nice. Okay, now girls, what we're going to do is we're going to take some Valentine colored sprinkles. Sprinkle it right on your strawberry, right on the chocolate part. Oh, that looks so cute. Callie, you want to try some on your strawberry? The little hearts. You can put some of this too, Lil, if you want. You can put both. So let me put a little bit in your hand. You can sprinkle it on your strawberry. Put it in that hand. Sprinkle it on your strawberry. Okay. Oh, nice. You know, you could even roll it in. Oh, there you go. I'm going to shake some sprinkles on your strawberry. Oh, whoops. Woo. Those look so good. All right, take a look at our finished strawberries. Aren't they pretty? You guys did a great job. Okay, you ready to try one? All right, let's try one. Ooh, I'm going to try this one. What do you think, girls?
Yeah.
So good. All right, did you have fun?
Yes.
All right, we hope you'll try this at home, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Nom, nom.
Are you ready for a blooper? I don't always get it right the first time. In fact, I make plenty of mistakes. I've learned that if you don't get it right the first time, keep trying till you do.
What are we going to make, girls?
Chocolate-covered strawberries.
Yummy chocolate stuffed cup. I didn't say it right, did I?
All right, are you ready for some shout-outs? Today they're going out to Callie in the Philippines, Giovanni and Aria Castro in Beaumont, California, Carmina and Jack in Surrey, BC, Canada, Raphael and Ricardo Melgar in Anchorage, Alaska, Ms. B, Daniel, Naya, and Jackson in Texas, Edward in Wilmington, North Carolina, Carl and Abigail in Columbus, Kansas, Olivia and Sienna in Washington, D.C., David Weber in Dallas, Texas, Sawyer and Lexi Lynn in Medicine Hat, Alberta, Canada, Anna Sophia and Avril in Orlando, Florida, Mikey and Emma in Utah, Coraline Cleveland in Titusville, Florida, Nina McGuinness in Antrim, Ireland, Summer in Newington, Connecticut, Michaela and Juliana on Long Island in New York, Athena in Sayre, Pennsylvania, Jacob in Mountain Home, Arkansas, Martina in Weston, Florida, SJ in Idaho, Primrose in Barrie, Ontario, Canada, Colby and Marcella in Connecticut, Mason Ortiz in the Bronx in New York, Addison in Oregon, Julianne and Josephine Mendez in Compton, California, Andy Sheehan in Welches, Oregon, Libby and Levi in Des Moines, Iowa, Alicia and Leo Selhausen in Beloit, Wisconsin, Cameron in Oakland, California, as well as Hanifa in Itasca, Illinois. Hello to each and every one of you, my good friends. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us today. See you next time.